Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode, another sunrise on Sunday morning, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. Not much movement on Bitcoin yesterday. MCRT having massive buys coming in, around 76% up in the last month, which is beautiful, and around 6% up yesterday. I'm going to show you this in this video. We're going to look into the Ethereum. It is the weekend, so the stocks are closed, so we're just doing Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button. Actually, no, I asked in the Telegram what cryptocurrency what is going to pump next, and I'm going to buy and do TA on the one that everyone commented on. So I'm going to show you that in this video. I'll move away from the waves, it's a little bit loud. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Everyone comment on every video. As a community, make as much noise on the videos as possible, so that way we push the algorithm. YouTube grows more and more. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. And the market unity, the tech stocks were massively up on Friday. MCRT up 7% yesterday in the crypto markets. Doge up massive yesterday. Congratulations everyone who bought Doge. We bought it at 0.05. MCRT went from 0.009 to now 0.0015. So that's almost 100% pump in the last few months, which is amazing. Meta's up, Uni's up 2%. Tesla on Google were up on Friday. XRP slightly up. Bitcoin slightly down today, 1.29%. We're in this, you can see here in this ABC, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave count took us from 16K all the way up to 32K. Then we had the ABC correction. Then we had just a massive pump out. Volume is coming in in a lot of volume, huge volume coming in. Stochastic is overbought on the daily. We are pumping out of this bull flag, this bullish pennant. The distance of the pole should be the target. So this distance here is the target that we're expecting for Bitcoin. This distance here, as I teach you in the cryptocurrency masterclass number 2 in the description, 12 hours of lessons that teach you these patterns and how to trade them. Volume is coming in. 4-hourly sideways movements. It pulled back. Bitcoin went to 37,600. Yesterday had a massive pump all the way to 38,000, then corrected down to 35,000, then big bounce off there, activating our trade actually. Congratulations anyone that took that trade or took any Bitcoin trades the last weeks that we've been in. But big pullback just now, about 1 hour ago. Look at that. 2 hours ago, there was a big sell from 37,000 down to 36,600, and then a big buyback. Look at that. Interesting. The selling pressure got brought up very quickly. It's a weird pattern here because we had this big spike and then pull back. We've had this pump and then pull back a little bit. It's an interesting pattern that's forming here on Bitcoin. It is making higher highs though. Let's get rid of these old patterns now. Let's fresh eyes on Bitcoin. So the bigger overall pattern that we keep is this huge rising wedge that Bitcoin broke out of early, which confirmed the breakout, bounced off it and pumped out. We're still on the first wave, so we haven't had that first to second wave corrective wave yet. We've still got volume coming in. Look at that buy volume that was 2 days ago. Huge buy, 342,000 Bitcoin bought and sold. I showed you that in that video a few days ago. Let's go closer, zoom in on the 4-hourly. Big bounce off. And big buys, it sold out and then bounced back very quickly. Best place to go long on Bitcoin is from these major supports. At 35 here, from these major supports is where I would go long on Bitcoin. Stop loss just underneath the weekly support, and take profit at the first wave target, 46K. That's a nice trade to take on Bitcoin. Risk to reward 26 times. Do we need to make the stop loss so, I think from this support area, 50 times risk to reward. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Risking $238 to make $12,086. No leverage, 10x leverage, 120,000, 100x leverage, $1.2 million trade. That's the trade I would open on Bitcoin, opening at $35,007. Stop loss $34,768. Take profit at $46,943. Risk to reward 50 times. Again, risking $238 to make $12,000 without leverage. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. I'm still in my trade on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you that. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video, go down under the video, sign up to Bybit using that link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements when you use that link. Explore OKX. They have $50,000 in prizes. BingX is stock and USA friendly, and you can also trade stocks and crypto. Take the masterclass where you learn how to set up those charts, learn how to trade with the other gurus, and then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together, and this was posted in our Telegram, the world right now, and DJs, crypto's pumping, we are so back. Doge breakout, congratulations anyone who bought me 0.005. Look at that move already. Target of this breakout is 0.17 on Doge, and look at that big W formation that's forming. These are the prizes given out. So I sent $100 as proof of the prize transactions. $100 sent out to this winner, $500 sent out to this winner for the prizes, which is beautiful. Longs of Flying Guru, thank you, you're the man, God bless you. You called it amazing grains. You're welcome, everyone. I posted this yesterday. This student made $188, $28, $8. Thank you, Guru, you're welcome. Fantastic job, Guru, as well deserved. Thank you for these paintings. Did James close his? No. I'm holding my long trade. He's got $32,000 in profits, and that was at 36,700. Congratulations. OKX is giving away $60,000 in prizes. A mystery box, if you deposit $50, you can get a $10,000 mystery box and guaranteed vouchers up to $60,000 for trading volume. So that's what's happening over there. Over on Telegram, people are just, the chat is going crazy. I've never seen it so active. So I asked today, what next altcoins will have huge rallies? I'll do TA and buy the most commented. And you can just see what everyone's commenting in this chat. There's 9,000 of you in here. Flux, Pepe, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Aptos, ADA, Floki, Aptos, XRP coming up, Sol, Matic, XRP again, Kaspa, ADA, MCRT, FXS, Litecoin, Uni. I think Uni will be ready to mega pump. I think so as well. Uni can be crazy. James, if you can see me, please unblock, mute. Okay, I'll tell that to the team. Camro, no. Can't read the FXS. FXS, I also think it can be a really big token. I'm heavily invested in that. ADA coming up a lot. Sol coming up a lot. Sol. Okay, let's do Solana because Solana's been going crazy. This is just what everyone's been posting since yesterday. Congratulations, 473% on his Ethereum trade, 1,600% on Bitcoin. This is just yesterday inside the Telegram, inside the Guru chat. Everyone in here has taken, most of you, make sure you've all taken the course, the Stock Guru Mastercourse, Crypto Mastercourse, so you know what we're doing. Let's check out Solana. Did anyone already do TA? Not wild. Jasper's amazing at TA. James, and watching your tech analysis when you're explaining about RSI, it says if you're above 70, we should sell because it's overbought. I do think at the moment we are overbought since 20th of October. Do you think we should sell? Very nice question. And good that you've taken the course and understand this. I do think Bitcoin is quite overbought now on the weekly and the monthly timeframes. I'll show you. When we look at Bitcoin, on the monthly, we are now overbought. As I teach you in the Crypto Mastercourse, above the dotted lines where you want to be selling. It hasn't double topped. We haven't seen a double top yet before it drops down. So what we look for is this to top once, twice, and then drop. But it is overbought right now. This was the time to buy at 16K when we all bought it. If you've been following my videos, when I called the bottom, that was the time to buy when the stochastic was oversold. Now it is overbought on the monthly, overbought on the weekly. It hasn't done a double top yet either. That was the time to buy back in August. In August was the time to buy on the weekly before this huge pump. And on the daily, it's overbought. So we have to watch it for a double top. So what I'm looking for on the stochastic and the RSI now, on these two indicators, RSI is still heading up. RSI still is all overbought. The median RSI not yet overbought. But what I'm looking for is a double top. So 1, 2, and then I need to get out of positions because then the stochastic double topped. We look for double tops on the stochastic and the RSI in the overbought territory. That's what I'm going to be focused on looking for. And I'm also counting the Elliott wave. So I do expect a correction on Bitcoin, but I do think we're still in that first impulse. We haven't had the second corrective wave. And according to this first impulse, the second to third is always the largest impulse. So this first wave on Bitcoin is really powerful one, actually. Let's look at Solana because that was the most requested by all of you. Solana, USDT. And I always look for Bybit because I'm trading derivatives. I'm trading leveraged a lot of the time. So I go to Bybit leverage trading. Bybit swaps perpetual contract. Boom. Added it to my watch list. Solana, $57. What a move on Solana, everyone. Wow. Oh, congratulations anyone that took that long. Oh, it wicked out a little bit. Look at that. I had a long back in September. Came to 17 and then pumped out of it, but I hit that stop loss. Look at that pump from Solana. That move on Solana came down to $19 support. That move on Solana was around, from the bottom, 263% on Solana. 263, huge bottoming formation there. Big resistances. Now we're coming to big resistances, but a lot of volume. Stochastic very overbought on the weekly, overbought on the monthly, daily overbought. What a pump on Solana. 200. Now's not the time after a 280% move. Heavy resistance on Solana is here, $66. We have massive resistance. We have big resistance here on Solana, $78. But already the meat of the move has been taken on Solana, 280%. If you're looking to buy, you need to wait for a pullback to this major support at 45. It is overbought right now. It can pump further. 78 is a resistance. Then we've got another big one here. Right now, it's getting resisted, but it's not major resistance. So it can break through quite easily at that 57. But the best time to buy is 45 if you can wait for a pullback to there. If there is some sell-off, that would be the target to buy because it's just pumped 280% recently. So a target to buy would be here at $42. If you can get in at $42, that would be the best point to buy. That's the trade I would take on Solana. Then taking it to big resistance here. If you can catch a pullback on Solana to 40, that's resistance. To 42, that would be the time to go long. Massive bottom formation formed with huge volume confirming the breakout. That's the trade I would take on Solana. If you're looking to get back in. 42, so it needs to pull back quite a bit actually. 42 entering and then risk towards 16 times, which will be beautiful. 86% without leverage, 10x leverage, 860%, 100x leverage, 8,600%. My trades on Bybit are pumping, Bitcoin pulling back a little bit. My Bitcoin trade, $25,359 in the profits. It's a $233,000 trade. My this account, $420,870, 420 everyone, which is beautiful. I'll celebrate on Sunday. In here, I've got Bitcoin, 76,000 USD, 45,000 Uniswap, up 1.7%, 40,000 of Doge, up 3%. Doge made us a lot of gains yesterday. MCRT, 37,000, up 6.7%. And these are the ones that I bought this $23 million worth of MCRT, 23 million MCRT, when it was very oversold. I bought it at 0.0009, etc. But I've still got all my tokens as the seed investor. I haven't sold any tokens of MCRT. These are the 23 million that I've bought, which is making me one of the biggest investors in MCRT, like separate to me being the seed investor of MCRT. FXS down 4.9%. Got $29,000 worth of FXS. I'm going to buy $1,000 worth on this pullback, because FXS didn't pump enough, in my opinion. Yeah, congratulations, everyone. Look at MCRT this month, up 74% this month. 74%. Yesterday, also up another 6%. Look at these big buys coming in. Look at that buy. It spiked it from 0.0011489. That buy spiked it to 0.00616. Huge move. And then it sideways moved all night. And then another big buy came in, pumping at 0.0016, and then sideways movement. 6% today, up 23% this week, up 74% this month. So big recovery on MCT and massive volume. Look at this volume, up 28%, $96,000 of DEX volume. DEX volume is always real volume, so that's really good to see. That was a lot of information, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, make as much noise on comment, share this video with 3 of your friends on WhatsApp, share their names in the comment section down below. Let's get as many people following, and I might pick a prize down below, a winner for some USDT. So share this video with 3 of your friends on WhatsApp. Make sure they subscribe to the channel and watch these videos. People that are actually going to be interested in crypto, actually going to watch trading. Love you all. Have an amazing Sunday, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.